Tesla, the most American automaker of 2024. Opening scene, upbeat music with cinematic shots of Tesla vehicles in action, followed by the WheelDriversTV logo. Host, on screen. Welcome back to WheelDriversTV, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into the 2024 Made in America Auto Index by the Kogod School of Business, where Tesla has taken the top 4 spots. Let's find out what makes Tesla the most American automaker this year. Cut to a Tesla Model Y being assembled on the production line. Host, voiceover. The Made in America Auto Index isn't just a label. It's a deep analysis that helps us understand how much a car truly contributes to the U.S. economy. Over 500 car models are evaluated, but Tesla stands out as the undisputed leader in 2024. A Tesla Model 3 showroom sticker with a focus on the Made in America section. Host, on screen. How does the Kogod Index work? It uses 7 specific criteria to rank vehicles. This includes where the car's parts are made, where it's assembled, and even where the automaker invests its profits and performs R&D. Tesla checks all the boxes, and then some. Cut to visuals of the National Highway and Transportation Administration database and Kogod researchers inspecting cars in a dealership. Host, voiceover. The data comes from the National Highway and Transportation Administration and the American Automotive Labeling Act of 1994. But here's the cool part. The Kogod team also visits dealerships to inspect cars and their stickers firsthand. Talk about thorough. Graphic, a leaderboard showing Tesla leading the 2024 rankings. Host, on screen. This year's rankings are clear. Tesla dominates, with models like the Tesla Model 3, Model Y, and others taking the top 4 spots. These cars aren't just electrifying, they're deeply rooted in the American economy. Tesla engineers working in a high-tech lab, followed by a shot of the Fremont factory. Host, voiceover. So why is Tesla so successful here? It's all about their vertically integrated operations. From design to production, Tesla keeps the process in-house and on American soil. That means jobs, innovation, and profits staying right here in the USA. A Tesla driving through iconic US landmarks. Host, on screen. It's not just about where the car is built. It's also about hidden factors, like where the automaker is headquartered and where they invest in R&D. Tesla's commitment to the US economy is unmatched. Call to action screen. Subscribe for more automotive insights. Host, on screen. Want to stay updated on groundbreaking automotive stories like this? Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Here on WheelDriversTV, we bring you the latest in automotive excellence. Tesla cars cruising with WheelDriversTV branding appearing on screen. Host, voiceover. That's all for today, gearheads. Let us know in the comments. Does Tesla's top ranking make you more likely to consider buying one? Thanks for watching WheelDriversTV, and we'll see you in the next video. End screen. WheelDriversTV logo with clickable links to related videos.